Enjoy. Ang dami nyo na. 1, 2, 3. And then 4. And there's another one more. 5. Enjoy the winter. Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the snow the world is showing you? Where are you going to? Okay, cross the road. Deer crossing. You have a mansion here. You're resting here. Good job. Jump. Open the door. Come in. You're out. And he's in. And there's another one there. And there's another group on this side of the trees. That's it. That's where they are. And there's one on the yield sign. Okay, come on. You're on the road. So you're looking for Rodolph. That's Rodolph there. Okay, that's Rodolph. Babush. God bless you.